Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your GK class. Today in GK, we will do our topic Life Beyond Humans. We know humans like we people are. We are living in this world, but beyond the human life, there is another life also. Moreover, like sea life is there, and jungle life is there, and sky life is there. As human is a living being, it can reproduce. Very similar to that, in the sea, lot of lives are hidden. In the jungles, so many lives are there. In the sky also, so many lives. In sea, we can see the aquatic animals are there. In the jungle, we found animals, and in the sky, we found birds. They are also live their life like humans. They live in the community as well. They reproduce. They take care of their children as well and kids. So, but they don't have any brain. They don't have any demands. But they also play a very important role in the nature. And moreover, they are live. So life word is not only restrict to the people, we human. That is not restrict to the humans. Life deep down the sea, in the jungle, in the sky is as beautiful and fascinating as human life. However, the loveliness is found only if one study and understand. If you come to know about this, then you come to know that which kind of life is there. It is the page number 22 of your book that you have to do. Before starting this page, I just want to show you some pictures of the sea life. I hope when I show you the pictures of the sea life, it will be more clear to you that what the sea life can be. See, they're the beautiful pictures. So many fishes are there. This is the sea life. I can set you more examples. Different type of fishes are there. You can see these are the fishing fishes you found in sea. See, this is all the aquatic animals which live in sea. Let's study about what is given over here in the book. Which fish is not hurried by sitting of sea animal? Yes. Which fish is not hurt by the sting? Sting means when when wasp stings you, when any insect bite you, then it is called sting of the sea anemone. Sea anemone is an aquatic animal. Fish never be hurt by the sting of the uh, sea anemone. That is the clownfish only. So that is the clownfish. Where do dolphin? Dolphin everybody has seen. Moreover, you have seen many statues at your home as well of the dolphin. Dolphin is the most beautiful fish, we can say. Get the water that they need to digest their food. Where did the dolphin get the water? From the fish and squid they eat. Whatever the fishes and squid they eat, they just get water that they need to digest their food. What animal would attack penguin? What animal would attack a penguin? Leopard seals. Leopard seals is also aquatic animal which attack a penguin. The next is what creature make chalk tubes on stones and shells? Stones and shells you have seen many times in the seas, in the waters. Stones are there, shells, seep जिसे कहते हैं हम. What creature makes chalk tube of stones and shells? Tube worms make chalk tubes to hide in. What is the tube? worms. The next is name the which shark eats only plankton. Which shark eat only plankton? The shark, basking shark, eat only plankton. Name the fish whose jaws can swing wide open like a door. We have to name a fish whose jaws means like in which the teeth are engraved, can swim wide open like a door. Inside the mouth, long teeth curve backward to the stop prey from escaping. Their teeth help them to stop prey means उनका जो भी शिकार है उसको बचने से पकड़ लेता है, छूटने नहीं देता. It has an extra teeth in the throat to help push food down to the stomach. It is the deep sea viper fish. It is the deep sea viper fish. The next is the gray seal, that thick layer of a blubber. The gray seal has a thick layer of blubber. What the blubber made of? Yes, the blubber is made of fat. Many times we have seen a gray seal, a thick layer of blubber. Blubber we have seen sometime in the aquatic animal, and that is made up of their fat. On which starfish ice spots located? The starfish ice spots located on its tips. How many volts can an electricity ray fish produce? It is more than 200 volt. It is more than 200 volt. Which shark blamed to get more attack on human than any other? Yes, it is none and not only, it is the great white shark which is blamed for more attack on the humans than any other. How do sharks find hiding animals? Shark, we have seen many times, we listen many times that the shark are the most dangerous. So how they, because they attack on the humans so much, how do they find the animals which are hidden in the water as well? The shark can sense the electricity. The shark can sense the electricity that living things produce. Whatever the electricity or the rays is produced by us, the shark can sense that. That's why. Why is the stonefish so called? Why it is stonefish? Why stonefish is known as stonefish? Because it's of rough, lumpy body that looks like a stone, that look just like a stone. That's why it is called a stone fish. So beta, this is all about the sea life that we have discussed. And did you know the most starfish have 5 arms, but the basket starfish may have 50 or more arms. You can see the picture over here, and moreover you can see here is a starfish also there, dolphin is also there, shark is also there, so many aquatic animals are there, small fishes are also there. I have also have shown you the pictures of the sea life. So this is all about the sea life, fishes and the aquatic life. Let's move ahead and do the next part B, the life beyond the human. It's jungle. The arena of the jungle is horrible, no doubt. It's fearing, it's enchanting as well. But life is also surviving there. A life is there. Animals are living over there. So let's talk about those animals before doing this chapter. I just want to, okay, side by side, I'll tell you about this, the jungle life. Let's do the first question. Which three kind of termite live together in a nest? Do you know termite? Termite घर पे दीमक लग जाती है जब हमारे यहाँ लकड़ी में. Mostly it live in the jungle because they are surrounding that they adapt the most. It is wood. So the answer is, it is the worker, soldiers and the queen. I can show you the picture of this as well. You can see these are the termites. Termites look like this. You can see this is the termites. It is worker, and worker has actual size 1 upon 4 inches, and soldier have the actual size 5 upon 16 inches, and queen is just of ½ inch. These are the different category of the termite. These three termite always live together in a nest. What is the strange about a snake skin? What is the strange about a snake skin? Thus, the snake is able to replace their skin. It is a very wonderful fact that snake are able to replace their skin. What is a white checked? What is the white checked tobacco and where might you see one? This is a bird that lives in the African jungle. This is a bird that lives in the African jungle. Can you name the world's largest beetle? Can you name the world largest beetle? Yes, the Gillette beetle is the world largest beetle. I can show you the picture of the Gillette beetle. You can see it is the Gillette beetle. You ever seen this kind of beetle at your place as well? In our home, sometimes we feel like this kind of black heart shaped, very hard body it has, and it's a kind of insect. Sometimes we find it create very noise. It's very noisy. This is the beetle, and this beetle we are talking about the largest beetle in the world. It's the Goliath beetle, and it's weighing up to 3.5 ounces. It is weighing 3.5 ounces. You can see it's spreading its wings like this. When it spread its wings, it look like this. And here the another picture in which this beetle has not spread its wings. When it spread its wings, it look like this only. So let's go for the next. The next question is, it is, do you know how flying frog, can you name the world's largest butterfly? Can you name the world's largest butterfly? It's the Queen Alexander bird wing. It's the Queen Alexander bird wing. I can show you the picture of the Queen Alexander bird wing also. See here the Queen Alexander bird wing. It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly which is the world's largest butterfly, known as the world's largest butterfly, named as Queen Alexander's bird fly. The next question is, do you know how the flying frog fly? How the flying frog fly? It is our next question. Let's see the answer of this question. The flying frog fly, how it is fly? It is flying frog glide on their webbed feet. It is glide on their webbed feet. The next question, lizards are cold blooded. What does it mean? It means that their body temperature changes as their body temperature changes according to the surroundings. These are very important facts. You must note it down and you must retain it in your memory. Definitely, it will be helpful for you in your future as well. Do you know what is strange about the way of the chameleon moves its eyes? You have seen chameleon, it's found in the greenery, wherever you have the garden or the fieldy area. The chameleon also has a feature that it can change its colors. So the chameleon, it looks into two directions at the same time. It looks into two directions. What helps the flying paradise tree snakes climb tree? The rough scale, because the paradise snakes have a very rough scale skin which help them to climb up on the trees. Which venomous snake is probably the fastest in the world? Yes, we have to tell which venomous snake is probably fastest in this world. It is the black mamba. You can see how beautiful and horrible as well it is. His skin shines a lot, and you can see which kind of different designing on its skin is also there. It's a black mamba. It's a snake that is probably the fastest in this world. So the next question is, how do South Africa, How do South American monkeys are different from the rest of the world? Well, you have seen many type of monkeys in your areas also you find. But why the South American monkeys are different from the rest of the world? The South American monkeys can cause their tail like the extra arm. This is the extraordinary feature the South American monkeys have. The South American monkeys can use their tail as an extra arm. Why do apes and humans have in common? Why do you apes is also a category of monkeys you can say, and human have in commons? Both have the primitive and both use tools. Both have the primitives and पूर्वज थे दोनों के, so they use the tools as well. So it is all about the jungle life. What we did first the sea life, then we did the jungle life. Let's do the third one. It is the sky life. There are so many lives which are living in the sky as well. Let's talk about these. See, let's see the sky life. How the sky life. You can see. I can show you the pictures of some birds. See how beautiful it is looking. These birds are living in the sky. They make their nest, they lay the egg, they reproduce, and they take care of their children. They just learn their children how to fly it. See how beautiful these creatures are. And this is only created by the God. So not only human life is there in this world. Other than the human life, there is a life existing in the sky as well, and that is the sky life. And this sky life is these beautiful birds. So we should take care of the environment as well, because not only the human life is there, so many lives are existing with us. So let's study something about the sky life. How do peregrine falcons kill flying bird? How do peregrine falcons kill the flying bird? उड़ते हुए पंछियों को भी मार देती है. Use their back claws to stop their victim, to whom the peregrine falcon wants to kill. What it did, it just back clown to stab their victims. Why do wading birds have large feet? The wading birds have large feet to keep themselves sinking into the mud. To keep themselves sinking into the mud. Why do birds need a gizzard to grind up food? Yes, the birds need a gizzard because they don't have teeth, but they have to chew their food. So with the help of gizzard, they can chew their food. How do barbels work and what do they do? The barbels work hook around one of the another to keep the feather in shape. It helps to keep the feather in shape. How do the birds waterproof their feathers? Yes, how do birds waterproof their feathers? The bird coat their feathers with oil from the preen gland. There is a preen gland we found in the birds, and oil extract from that. That oil is used by the birds on their feather to make it waterproof. What does a bird use as its tail feather? Sorry, when does a bird कब use करता है अपनी tail को feather की तरह? The tail feather help a bird to steer and stop whenever they have to steer. Steer means change the gear, change the direction, that is steer. So whenever the bird has to steer or to stop, then they use their tail feather. What is strange about the nest of the ringed plover? Ringed plover is also very wonderful creature. And what is the strange about its nest? The strange thing about it does not build a nest, it lay its eggs on the beach. It lay its eggs on the beach. How far a flying hawk? See, a flying hawk can see 3 miles away. A flying hawk can see. This is a flying hawk. It can see 3 miles away. What is the name of the eagle's nest? It is, you can see an eagle is there. It is the eyrie. The name of the eagle's nest is eyrie. How fast can a gannet dive to catch fish? How fast a gannet? The gannet can reach at the speed of 60 meter per hour. The gannet can reach at the speed of 60 mph. Which rainforest bird can kill the monkeys or the mammals as well? Can you see there is a bird is there which is very strong and violent as well. You can see this is looks like bigger than a human as well. This bird named as the harpy eagle. It is harpy eagle which can kill the monkeys or the other mammals. So this is all about the life that is living in the sky as well. So many lives are there. There is not only a human life. So many lives are there. It's living in the water, it is living in the sky, it is living in the jungles as well. So we have studied about these lives. If anybody have any doubt, please raise your hand, then I'll unmute you and you can ask the question. You will have raised the hand, but it is not showing to me.